Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibe channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to reset your TCL Smart TV back to its factory settings. This process is really useful if your TV is lagging, apps are crashing, or if you just want to start fresh. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. First, grab your remote and press the Home button. From the home screen, scroll down and go to Settings. This is where all the main options are located. Step 2. Go to System. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and select System. This section allows you to control advanced features of your TCL Smart TV. Step 3. Select Advanced System Settings. Now, scroll down and choose Advanced System Settings. Here, you'll see options like Software Update, Device Connection, and Reset. Step 4. Choose Factory Reset. From this menu, select Factory Reset. You'll be given two options: reset only the TV picture and audio settings, or reset everything back to factory default. Step 5. Confirm the reset. To completely reset your TCL Smart TV, select Factory Reset Everything. Your TV will ask for a 4-digit code, usually 1234 by default. Enter the code, and then confirm. That's it. Your TCL Smart TV will restart and return to its original factory settings, just like when you first bought it. This process can take a few minutes, so be patient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.